So for today's dissection, we have this little smoke detector alarm. It does work. I've had one of those installed for, I think, about 6 or 7 years, and then the 10-year battery died, and I decided to order another one so I can take it apart. So I found this used one, just so I can finally take it apart and take a look inside. It uses a CR2 battery, and let's see what's inside. So it's held together by a couple of screws, and let's see if it's gonna come apart. Yes, it does. Okay, so we have the battery holder on this side. It's a pretty large inductor on this side, and a small circuit board. Let's see, how does this come apart further? There appears to be a little bit of glue right here. I wonder if the circuit board's just glued in. Well, let's remove this glue, and let's see if it's gonna pop up. It does not want to go up. Let's try and get a flathead and give it a little bit of gentle persuasion. Oh my goodness, it does not want to go up. Is this thing gonna fight all the way? Let's see if the top will come off. Nope. Let's see if the mesh will come out. That shows a little bit of promise. Not really. It kind of hits the circuit board right here. I don't think that's going to get us any closer. I'm thinking, are the LEDs soldered on after the board is installed? Maybe I should desolder the LED and the photodiode. It's an optical smoke detector, by the way. Yeah, I think I'm going to try desoldering the LED and the photodiode to see if that helps us get in there. Alright, let's see if desoldering it will help us take it apart. See if that did the trick. Yes, it appears it did the trick. Almost. I think this side is still stuck a little bit. Is it? Let's warm it up a little more. It appears this leg is not fully desoldered. Oops, that was... Okay, that should do it. Yep, there you go. Oh, there's nothing to be seen. It looks like they blobbed over the chips here. Yeah, that's really, really hard. I don't think that's gonna come off. That's the, I thought it was an inductor. It's actually a transformer. That's probably for the buzzer. And so we have something labeled IR1, which is the LED, and then PD1, which is the photodiode. Let's see if we can take the mesh off now. I should probably turn this off and get it out of the way before I burn myself. Okay, off comes the mesh. Is this just clipped in, or is it, what's holding it in place? Am I gonna have to damage it in process so I can see what's inside, or is it gonna come willingly? Oh, it sounds like it's glued in there. I don't think this will come willingly. Yeah, I think we're gonna break it. This thing does not want to come apart, so it's probably glued together on the inside. Oh, this came apart. Okay, so behind this piece is only the buzzer. So this is just a plastic structure meant to keep the light out, but allow the smoke to go through here. And then there's a IR LED and the photodiode at certain angles to each other. And I guess when the smoke particles get inside, they set it off by reflecting onto the photodiode.
Okay.
Let's throw the battery in there. Makes the noise. Let's see if it works. Come on, warm it up. Make some smoke. I'm actually going to hold the buzzer closed with my finger so it doesn't make too much of a noise. I think it needs a little bit of flux to make the... Actually, let's try melting this solder right here. Come on. That's smoke. How much smoke? Oh, there you go. It is actually working. It does need a pretty good amount of smoke to get tripped, but yeah, it does work. There you go. So this is a, what's it called? An Atom, I think, smoke detector. Yeah, first alert Atom 10-year smoke and fire alarm is what this thing is called. I don't think they sell it anymore, but there's still some of them on eBay.